Hello everybody, my name's Edward. I'm the founder behind Devizip, and today I'm going to show you how to use version 2.0. So for free users, nothing fundamentally is going to change, but I am adding a few features here. So you're going to see this button right here, dock to sidebar. This just basically glues it to the side of your browser. So if ever you want to open a new tab, it will stay open, as compared to the pop-up. If you want to go back to Claude, for example, it will close. The night mode stays the same. You're going to have a little upgrade here button for if you want to access premium features. Security scan is going to be a premium feature as well. And these are all the other platforms that I made integrations with. You'll see I have Gemini, Deepseek, Perplexity, Grok. The list goes on. Those will be all in the premium features as well. Like I said, nothing really fundamentally changes for free users. You just click drag and drop. You click it here or you can drag it. Clicking it opens the file explorer, but when you drag it, you'll be able to drag and drop. Easy as that. Analyze zip file, and then you'll be able to inject it into Claude. And also, I did this purposefully just to show you guys. But if you take a bit too long or you let it sit for a few minutes, it's going to show connection failed. As to before, it said connection. It said the same thing, but you have to go manually and refresh it, and you have to close the extension. Instead, now all you have to do is click here, refresh page, and it's going to refresh the extension and the page at the same time. So you can come back and do it right away. So I'll click analyze, inject, and you will see that it will upload the files. And you'll notice it's a bit slower. This is happening because I have decided to batch upload files during my testing on my end. If you want to upload zip files that are too big in size, like you have too many files or something like that, it actually was crashing my browser. I'm using Brave, so it was actually crashing my browser. So now I have implemented batch uploads for both free and premium users if you want to upgrade. And that's pretty much it. You have this clear button as well. This button will clear all the files, but unfortunately this is still in testing. I put this in the description actually of the Chrome extension. Under number 5, known issues, you're going to see that the clear button for some AI integrations is not fully optimized. So this is something I'm still working on. I'll click it now, and you can see it doesn't remove all the files. So you can just click it a second time and even a third time, fourth time. So for GitHub URLs, nothing has changed either. I'm just going to take my website, as an example, my GitHub website, Devizip. I'm going to upload it here, analyze, and you're going to see that the 24 files exclude. And I actually did get some feedback on this. I got an email, I got some reviews about it saying that 20 files is not enough for me. But then again, so what I'm doing now, I'm not changing anything on the free plan. If you want to upload more files, if you want access to more files, I'm just going to put it in the premium plan. So if you need more room to upload more files, it's on the premium. Let's say I take one of my test repos like this, for example. I test one, analyze, inject. Nothing really changes. Once again, just one more time, you upload your GitHub URL, you paste it in, click analyze, wait for it to analyze the entire repo, then you click inject. Same thing with zip files. You upload it, analyze, inject. And that's pretty much it for the free users. Nothing has really changed once again. And now I'm going to move on how to use it as a premium user. After you have paid for the premium, you'll be able to come back here and you're going to see welcome to premium. You can close this tab. You can just go back to what you were at. So I'm just going to go back here, and you're going to now notice that the premium features are unlocked for you to use. So I'm going to test the security scan for you guys real quick. I'm going to take my test file here, analyze it, and here you're going to see that it has detected generic API keys in 2 folders. Now, the reason that it is finding the same file is because I have this file duplicated. So you're going to see test1 zip, that's the file I uploaded, or the zip file I uploaded, test2.js here. Then deeper in the file, in the zip file, I will have it here again. I'm going to click redact selected, And here you're going to see the folder structure, and you'll be able to inject into Claude as well. And remember, we have the security scan on, so I'm going to show you guys right now. So it detected 2 keys in the 2 test2.js files. So I'm going to open this file here. This is the content of the test2.js file. We have an API key. This is a fake key. I just made this up randomly. I'm going to show you right now what it did before uploading. So if we click here, you're going to see it has redacted the API key. So this feature I'm very excited about. So if you ever forget like an API key hidden at the bottom or in the middle of your file, it's going to redact it. And if we go further down the line, I believe it should have a second file and redacted as well. And it's pretty much the same with GitHub repos. All right, so I created a new repo, and this one is going to have the API key in it right here. So we're going to test it again with Claude. I'm just going to refresh the page, paste that in, analyze from GitHub, and there you go. It analyzes it finds security risks. Redact, inject the Claude. All right, and now we're going to take a look at this file right here. We're going to see if it's redacted. There you go, it's redacted. And there's no fundamental difference for any other platform. I'm going to show you an example with Google Gemini. Upload my zip file, analyze, finds API keys, redact, inject to Gemini. So if I paste in my test file again, I'm going to detect it. I'll just ignore it since I can't even open the files. Inject to Gemini, that works as well. Click clear, removes it, and it's pretty much the same with every other platform. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you guys later.